Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? I'm here, Lester's here. There he is over there. Yeah, he's asleep. He has no idea I'm doing this. I just wanted to get on here. Oh, here's my ring light for when things are dark and I need to look, more lighty. I want to come on and talk to you about a couple of the main like online educational things that you can do with me. I know a lot of times in the fall and winter, people kind of get more into adding to their lessons and things that they're going to be doing with the fiddle. And I wanted to show you what you can do and explain how they work and how to access everything. So the first thing I wanted to show you is on my website, which is FiddleStar.com. You can find everything about me, all the things, but if you click on this Bluegrass Skill Builder Workshop page, which is this page right here, and you will see I've got a little video that kind of is a little highlight reel of the workshops. And then you scroll down and I've got the beginning workshop. You can sign up for the next one. In this case, it would be December. And then the next intermediate advanced one. But then below that, I've got all of the previous months of the workshops. And so I started with the intermediate advanced ones back in August and of 2020, by the way. So that's like almost a year and a half ago now. And each month has a little description of what I covered in the month. And back in those days in 2020, I was doing 4-hour-long lessons every month. So 1 hour a week. And so I talk about all the different, songs and tunes that we cover, different exercises and things like that. And then as you scroll down, you'll see you can buy that now. And the $70 is for 4-hour-long workshops. And then scroll down. And then as we get into May of 2021, I switched to doing 1 2-hour workshop every month, so that the format changes, but the same thing applies. You can just scroll through and look. So like July 2021, I did Little Rock Getaway and Hot Licks and Fills in A, etc. And then you just grab that. And as soon as you do that, then I will send you an email that has the link to the Zoom recording and all that kind of thing and any supplemental videos. Then you can scroll down below that and then you'll get the beginner workshops as well. So this is really, really helpful for those of you who are newer players. And we always talk about basic technique. We always talk about care and feeding of your instrument, all that kind of stuff. And so those started in November 2020 and go on until now. And so each one, you just get a little description of what we cover and then the little buy now button. So that's that. And I would highly recommend those. You just play along with me. It is the recording of the Zoom workshops that I did live. And then especially when we get into the ones where I was just doing 1 2-hour workshop every month, there's supplemental videos. You get all the links to that. Those are not public for everybody. Those are just for anybody who buys that. Then the other thing that I'm still so excited about is fiddlevideo.com. Look, there's me. And Casey, the founder, just posted a where to start video, a pep talk with Megan Lynch Chowning, which is a video that I recorded to just kind of get new subscribers to know how to navigate Fiddle Video, what to do, what's all going on there, and how to make the best use of the site. So you can definitely sign up there, fiddlevideo.com. And of course, choose me as your preferred instructor because, please. No, but it's a wonderful gift to give. It's a wonderful way for you, a gift to give yourself, whatever. I've already got a ton of Texas contest style tunes as well as bluegrass breaks, solos, fills, chops, all that kind of stuff, and a ton of technique videos talking about my approach to creating solos, improvisation, using the Nashville number system as a fiddle player. What does it mean to you? That kind of thing. So fiddlevideo.com. That's a great subscription to get. And then also the FiddleStar.com, click on the Bluegrass Skill Builder workshops, and you can access any of those previous workshops. I think sometimes people forget that those are there. And It's like taking a lesson with me. I promise. I tell jokes. I do ridiculous things, but I think I also give out a lot of really great information, and we work really hard on getting better as fiddle players. So I just hope you're going to have a great week, and I'm thinking about you all and hoping that you're doing well, and just hoping that you're having a great time learning to play the fiddle. I'll see you around.